Morning thoughts, morning thoughts, morning thoughts. There's gonna be a lot of echo in here. I'm not gonna make this video too long. Running a little late this morning, but reached the office already, and I just decided that I'll do a video for you here, right, before anybody else come in, because I'm the first therapist in the building for the day. And a little badge says, I don't know if you can see it, it says occupational therapy. Alright? Helping you to make it happen. So I'm here to help a bunch of people make it happen today. Help yourself to make it happen today as well. Woke up this morning happy and healthy. All my kids are happy and healthy, and that's a lot to give thanks for and be thankful for. I saw some dreadful news over the weekend leading up to even this morning. 3 separate cases, which I'll talk about later on the channel. I'm tired because I did have a long weekend and I did stay up late last night putting some things together. Big up on yourself, man. Big up to all my hard-working people. The people I'm coming in from work, just know. The people I'm going out to work, just know. Those working 2 jobs to make ends meet. Stay on your grind. Stay focused. Don't let nobody throw you off. I can't talk loud this morning, right? My battery is kind of low, so I'm connected also. Let me see if I can disconnect. All right. Let's make this video really quick. So here I am. I'm at the office today, right now. Yeah, got here early before anybody else. I just want to say big up to everybody. All praise is due to the Most High God this morning because we woke up healthy and happy and strong. Yes, happy and strong and healthy. These are things we have to give thanks for. Saw some disturbing news over the weekend, and one of them that really struck me is the little girl that was found with her throat slashed, and I think they have her in a crocus bag or something. I'll do a more in-depth video on that later on. It's getting rough out here. Stay prayed up, stay vigilant, stay surrounded with people that you're sure they care about you, have your best interests at heart, love you, and these kind of things. Be careful of where your feet take you. I've talked about this before. Be careful of where your feet take you. Be careful of where your mind goes astray, thinking leads you. Be careful of the things that your hands are getting into, that kind of thing. I mean, I'll make the video too long because I don't want somebody to walk in and get all in. People are passing outside. There are patients passing outside and other medical personnel. And this is personal time on clock time. Y'all know how that goes in a professional world already. Big up on yourself. It's SouFLoTV. I love all you progressive, productive people. Continue to be just that. Productive and progressive. Yes? Continue. And we say what? Up, up, up. Make Jamaica proud, make your family proud, make yourself proud. We have to start to separate ourselves from the dunce and the dummies. And I'm not saying dunce as in someone that wasn't privileged enough to get some higher education, not some university or something like that. People are misconstruing and misunderstanding. I'm talking about those who revel in their dunceness, those who are happy being dunce, those who call themselves that, those who don't mind being that. Loud, boisterous, ignorant, disrespectful, those kind of people. We have to start to separate ourselves from those, right? And work towards progress and upliftment. Big up, man. I'm out. Peace.